Alright, drop my paper on the floor. So, hi, did you miss me? I'm just coming on YouTube to wish everybody happy Thanksgiving, and I hope you're thankful for your family and friends and this new haircut that I got today. Yes, sir. Anyway, somebody emailed me and asked me my top 10 lesbian movies, and really I think lesbian movies are completely lame and cheesy, but I do have some favorites that I'll share with you. My list right here. My first one is Victor Victoria. How can you go wrong with Julie Andrews playing a man who wants to be a woman, a woman playing a man who wants to be a woman? Check that one out. Put that one on your Netflix queue. But I'm a cheerleader. Again, how can you go wrong with Natasha Lyonne? She's freaking hot. Freaking hot. Yeah, and I liked her in Slums of Beverly Hills too. She's really hot. Anyway, Kissing Jessica Stein, another great movie. Philadelphia, of course, by default. Saving Face is an independent movie. Saving Face. Look it up. It's really cute about these two girls that fall in love with each other, and then the one girl's mom gets pregnant, and oh man, it's good. I don't think I was supposed to tell you she got pregnant, but her mom gets pregnant, sorry. Oh, I like The Eyes of Tammy Faye, but that's not like a gay movie. That's kind of just like a movie I like, but it's narrated by RuPaul, so it kind of like falls to that. Besides, she was a gay icon. Oh, rest in peace, Tammy Faye, rest in peace. I don't have any Jesus thing I could touch for you, but yeah, I love Tammy Faye so much. And my last favorite movie that, because if you have Netflix, you can watch movies on your computer instantly, is To Wong Fu, Thanks for Everything, Julie Newmar. I freaking love that movie. John Leguizamo, I think that's how you say his name. I love him. P to the R to the I into the C into the S, princess. Yeah, I'm kind of acting like a princess right now. But anyway, let me show you something. Look at these new Vans. They're dirty because I wore them today, but I got a spot on them. And they stink. If you want to know about stinking Vans, watch my other videos. Oh my god, I was so pissed off today. I had to go down to the city to take a test for a position that I was applying for. Park ranger. You know, pick it up and put it in the bag, boom, boom. If you know that song and where it's from, you could be my new best friend. Google that. Pick it up and put it in the bag, boom, boom. Anyway, so I have this name tag on. As you can see, it lists my real name, Amanda, but I don't use that. I go by AJ. But I have this stuck on my sweater that I wore, and this old man in the elevator looks at my name tag, and he looks at me and he goes, "Are you sure you didn't pick up the wrong name tag?" And I look at him and I don't say anything. He goes, "I've never met anybody named Amanda before." And I look at him and I go, I think he's trying to say he's never met a guy named Amanda before. Hey, which is fine with me. I mean, if there were more guys named Amanda, then I think that would be great. It could be like a unisex name like Corey, or I don't know. What else is a unisex name? Kim? I'm so at a loss. Do you like my sweater? Everybody at work hates it, but I think it's pretty cool. Like if I wore it to a Chargers game with the lightning bolts, yeah, the Chargers, they can get all the help they can get. But anyway, enough rambling. Everybody have a happy and safe and healthy Thanksgiving, and I mean healthy by keep everything at temperature it should be cooked at and all that. Telling you this because in the Army I was a food inspector. Woohoo! Anyway, send me your questions. You want to chat online? Send me your little IM name. I'll talk with you. Anyway, I'll talk to you later.